In this video, I'll show you how to use Higgsfield Soul. First, open your web browser, go to the Higgsfield website, and sign into your account. From the dashboard, open Soul to start creating a new AI character. Next, click Create Character or the available option to begin a new project. Use the available controls to customize your character by selecting options such as appearance, hairstyle, clothing, age, style, and other visual attributes. Depending on the available features, you can also add a description to help guide the AI. Now, review the generated character. If you want to make changes, adjust the settings or update your prompt, then generate another version. Continue refining the character until you're happy with the final result. After that, save your character and use it in your future Higgsfield projects. You can reuse the same character when creating images or videos to maintain a consistent appearance across multiple scenes. Finally, download your character or continue editing it with other Higgsfield tools. Experiment with different styles, poses, and creative ideas to build unique AI characters for your projects. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Higgsfield Soul. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.